Okay. So, hi Ashwar.
Hey, hi, Satyam.
Okay. So, I hope your health is actually well, right?
Y- Yes, actually, I don't know what happened yesterday. Even I had to take a leave from my home. I mean, my movement was literally so limited. I was not able to even sit straight uh, to get aligned with the work. So I have to, take a medical leave yesterday.
Okay, okay, no problem. We will continue today. Is that okay?
Yeah, yeah, yeah,
Okay. So, yes, day before yesterday we had a session. From that session, I wanted to just take a feedback from you whether everything, whatever is conveyed during those sessions, during that session, everything is clear, right? You don't have any questions. We can discuss your questions if you want right now.
yeah. So if I got you correct, Satyam, the uh, past session was completely about the overview of the CPI. Um, like what is CPI and how it comes into in picture to the organization. That was the only thing we had discussed in the last session, right?
Yeah, yeah.
And I believe it is not the entire syllabus that we are going to learn in this training. I believe.
Didn't get you. Entire syllabus, which means?
Um, was it the entire syllabus for the CPI module?
No, it was just an overview.
Overview, correct.
Yeah. So
That
wanted
is
to
what I
just give you a clear idea. Well, see, whenever you are starting with something, you should have at least idea, right? What you are
correct.
actually doing, right? So that
Correct.
is why it was a session which will be helping you to understand what is your learning sessions is going to be about. Okay.
Right. Right, Satyam.
Okay. So today we will try to help you, okay, to actually open the system, okay, so that
Hmm.
we can actually see how CPI platform actually looks like. Is that okay?
Yep.
Okay, so I would like to just mention one thing that it will be like not me sharing the screen. We will be like you will be sharing your screen, okay, and
Yep.
I would
Yep.
be helping you to open the CPI system wherever we are actually following the entire process. Okay, actually going into the BTP platform, creating your sub account, and then you will be finally landing to the CPI screen. Okay, is that okay?
Oh, okay. It sounds interesting for me.
Yeah. So, Vinod, just help me with how I can see Ashwarya's screen. Like,
Screen.
should I make
Yes.
him the host?
No, Ashram, just check if you are able to share the screen.
I did. It asked me to share a request, which I did.
Yes.
Mm-hmm.
So, Satyam, you might have received the request.
Mm-hmm.
Mm.
I approved it.
Okay, then yes, I have an option to share. Please confirm if you can see my screen.
Yeah, I can. I can. Mm.
Okay, so I have opened the link which you have shared, Satyam.
Mm-hmm.
So it took me here.
So you can use your any link, like whichever is your uh, used to link. Okay, you used to email ID. Okay, that you can use. Or if you want, so whichever email ID you will be using, that email ID will be assigned with 30 days free trial for the CPI system. Okay, so for that,
Okay,
at least you will be having 30-day access for the CPI system and the resources whichever is provided by SAP. Okay,
perfect.
so,
Okay.
okay, yeah, you can go ahead. You can fill
Can we
out the
minimize this?
sorry.
Yes, we can. I just wanted to hide this thumbnail.
Oh, okay, okay. So basically, here you are creating your global ID. Okay. first.
Hmm.
So this will be actually giving you the S user ID. Okay. So the process which you are doing it right now, this process will be actually not done by you directly into the organizations. Whenever
Hmm.
you will be joining and someone from the basis team. Okay. Suppose you are joined as an organization and you are working for some client. Okay. So that
Hmm.
the client will be also having some basis persons. Okay. So those basis person will be creating your as user ID for the company. Okay, because they will be having like more subscriptions than a free trial, right? So
Hmm.
because they are paying SAP to provide those subscriptions, so that would be given to you. Okay, so we will
Okay.
be first going ahead with the everything. Okay, so that I can explain you later, because there are one step which you will be doing and that would be like actually taking more time to actually complete. Okay, so there I will explain you more. Okay. So I'll just
Got it.
request you to go ahead and I'll just explain the things later. Okay.
Got it.
Yeah.
Should I enter the company name and all?
You can put anything.
Here, a relation to
Vinod is
SAP.
asking, sorry.
Relation to SAP is consultant, right?
Yeah, you can pass it as anything like not partner. You can pass it as analyst or you can take it consultant only. Not a problem. Okay. So they will be keeping your details. Okay. Before they will provide you anything. So just have you clicked on submit?
No, I haven't.
Okay. Vinod is asking if to check if they have Altivision in the company.
Not sure. I was seeing the drop down. I was just eager to look if it is there. I think it should not be there. I think no, it's not there.
They might be following older databases, I think, Vinod.
No, we don't have to CPI anything, right? I just tried. I thought we can update. No, worries, you can take your conversation.
Cornerstone project would be fine.
I submit.
Yeah, it should ask you to create a password as well. Okay. Verify on your Gmail.
Okay.
At any point of time, whichever part you will think that should not be shared, you can stop sharing your screen. That is not mandatory for you. Okay.
Okay. I mean, there's nothing. I mean, this is my office laptop, so I don't think there much be like any content I shouldn't be sharing. So my company seems to be uh, good with that. I mean, it's not to say like that, but then they don't mind sharing the screen.
Yeah, yeah. It was just a disclaimer, like anything, whichever you want.
Okay.
You can continue. Click on continue.
Access all resources. Click here to start your trial.
You can see the user ID, right? Same way, when your company or your project company, whenever they will be creating, they will be assigning you a S user ID as well. Okay, this is a P user. Okay, that would be your S user ID. Okay.
Okay. Let me
Yeah.
take a screenshot of it.
Yeah, yeah, definitely. should keep it. Anyways, whenever you are logging again, even after 30 days, or whenever you are using the same email ID, okay, so then it will
Mm.
be again popping up that you should be signing in, not should be signing up.
No, I didn't got you.
So it will keep the record. Okay. They will not delete your account. Okay. So whenever you will try to log in again after 45 days, or even one after 1 year. Okay. So they will keep asking you to use the same P user ID. Okay. So that they will be not creating duplicates accounts. Okay.
Hmm. Got
Yeah. You can click here for start your trial.
it. Do I get the verification consent on my phone?
Yeah, I think so. Please check.
Okay. Can you just give me 1 minute? I didn't I didn't get my phone with me. Let me get my phone. I'll be in a minute.
Yeah, yeah, no problem. You got the code?
No, I haven't.
So there is a button called request code, right? Can you
Yeah.
request the code?
To access and use this SAP BTP trial, please read the accept the documents below.
You can select the first one. This is again based on AWS and Azure user. I was
Right.
like telling you day before yesterday, right? That
Right.
basically it follows the architecture either provided by AWS or provided by Azure. Okay.
Mm.
So they are trying to create your particular, like set up your cockpit. Okay, right now. So
Okay.
this is your like main BTP screen. Okay.
Mm.
So when this process will be finally done, you will be able to see the BTP cockpit. Okay. So
Mm-hmm.
even after this, whenever you are trying to create or deal with some other things, okay,
Mm.
apart from CPI, because BTP doesn't only provide CPI, it provides
Right.
other like capability as well, right? So when you
Right.
have to actually deal with that, so you can come
Mm.
here again, okay,
Mm.
because BTP link you can bookmark it and you can come here and then you can explore BTP more. Okay, BTP would be providing you different like services, subscriptions. You can choose it to add it into your particular global account. Okay, and then
Mm.
you can also try to enhance it with like a paid subscription. I don't want you to actually pay it and like increase your subscription. Okay, that doesn't
Mm.
even be logical. But I'm just saying you that it has that capability as well. You can create roles and everything. We will be seeing it. Okay,
Mm.
I
Mm.
just wanted this process to be done first.
Okay. Okay.
So your global account number has been also generated. You can see it.
Yeah. And it says a trial one.
Yeah, it should be a trial one for you. And you will be when you be logging into the particular CPI screen, you can click on continue. Okay, go to trial account. Yeah. So finally you are here. Okay, this is your screen, main screen. Okay,
Mm.
not this, but you can see the global account here, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, and you can see there is one. The global account is the above one. Okay, not the below one. Okay, the global account is above one where you are saying B49A 1115 trial. Okay, so this is your global account. Okay, under
Okay.
this, so global account is your again. I am just going with the same things. Okay, I'll tell you. Uh, First, we will try to. I like. Can you click on trial? I'll just go back when I will be reaching to that particular step. Okay, I'll just click. I just wanted to first go to that time taking process and start that.
You
Go
want
to
me to click here, trial home?
no, go to the sub account and click on the trial. Sub account, go down, go down, go down. Yeah, click on the trial. Hmm. This is your sub account. Under global account, there is a sub account. So this is your sub account details. You can see it here, right?
Mm.
Yeah. Can you click on your left hand side? There is services. Can you click on that? Yeah. You can click on service marketplace. Yeah. Then you can search for integration suite. Scroll down, scroll down. Yeah. You can click on it. You can click on create. You can click on create. Yeah. View subscription. Your it was just a prompt that it is saying that your subscription has been subscription request has been submitted. Okay. Yeah. So can you scroll it a little bit, like middle section? Can you expand it? Yeah. Hmm. So when you see, you have an integration suite, right? You can see. So
Yeah.
the can you click on that particular text, or there is an arrow button? You can click on that. Yeah.
This one?
Yeah. So it will actually launch your CPI platform. Okay.
Oh, okay.
So you are seeing that you are finally seeing it live, but this is not very simple. We will be assigning some roles here. Okay. So you can see it is not right now allowing you to actually access the integration suite platform, right?
Yeah.
So now you have to assign some roles. Okay.
Mm.
Why roles? Because same platform with different roles should be have different accesses, right? So for
Correct.
that you need to actually assign the particular roles which will be allowing you to uh, actually see the platform. Okay.
Yeah. Okay.
So can you go back to the same BTP platform? You can close this. You can close this page. And then you can go to security in your left hand side. Go to users. Yeah. Yeah, you can see the user. You can click on it. Not there. There is an arrow beside does your yeah, and you can yeah expand it and then go down and then go down. Click on assign roles. Assign role collection. Yeah. Search for integration underscore provisioner. Yeah, you can assign. You can assign that. That is done, right?
Yeah.
Go to instances and subscription. Yeah. Now can you open that again?
Oh, should I need to refresh the screen or something like that?
You can log out and log in.
Still the same. Does it take, few minutes to assign the role, or it should be, an immediate effect?
It should be. Let's see. Can you go back to the user? You can log out from here.
Uh, I mean, from this sign out thing?
Yeah. Can you sign out from here and
Yeah.
then log in it? You can close that tab as well. Maybe actually it is saving up the caches, so that is why it is like this.
Okay, should I close this, right?
Yeah, you can close it and you can again click on the BTP cockpit. Start your free trial. Yeah.
Hmm, interesting. Have the roles correctly assigned?
It should be integration
Integration
provisioning.
provisioner.
I'm also checking in the background. Just give me 1 minute.
Sure,
Uh,
sure.
at least you can assign some other roles as well, whichever is necessary for you right now. You can go there.
Hmm.
You can assign everything actually, but that doesn't stops you from anything. Okay, you can assign everything.
Okay. So upon your nope, it's not giving me access.
That is very not frequent. What we can do, you can log out and log in again. Maybe it is still saving some caches. That is why it is like this.
Yeah. Should I try this on the incognito mode?
Yeah, we can try this. You have assigned all the roles to you, right? Not
Yeah,
anything is pending.
every possible, I mean, every role that was there, 10 to 11 roles that have been assigned.
Hmm. You can click on trial. Yeah, you can click on services. We made some updates since you were last here. Let's see. Instance and subscriptions. Yeah. And you can then click on integration
Suit.
suite. Yeah. Yeah. So when you click on it,
Now it's doing something.
it should actually not. Yeah,
Yeah,
it
we
should.
are here.
It works. Okay. So this is your first landing page. Okay. So right now you can see the home button and nothing else, right?
Mm,
Instead of this, actually you would be able to see different options provided by CPI. Okay. So
mm,
for
mm,
that, you need to actually subscribe to more roles. Okay. So how do you do that actually? So first you can close this pop-up. Okay. This is actually a notification from SAP whenever they will be adding something to their capability. Okay. So that you
mm.
can close. Okay. You can scroll it down, add capabilities. You can click on it. Yeah. And yeah, you can select everything. So basically build integration, you want it, you have to manage API. So for that comes under API management. Okay.
Mm,
And you can select other roles as well. Yeah. Implement interfaces, mapping, manage trading partners. So that comes under TPM. Okay. Trading partner management. Okay.
mm,
Access
mm.
data SAP business suite. So different platforms you would be needing to access the data. So that would be needing that. You can select everything and click on next. Oh, is it after clicking every time it is landing to you first,
Yeah,
right?
landing. Yeah,
Yeah. You can
it's
click on next. Yeah, you can scroll it down, and if nothing is there, you can click on next again. You can select both of them, and then next.
it's developer hub and graph.
Yeah. So under API management, it will be giving you the access. Okay. You can scroll it
Okay.
down. Yeah. You can click on activate. This is the main process where you will be actually taking some time. Okay. So
Okay.
because they will be creating capabilities within your CPI tenant. Okay.
Mm,
So there, when it will be started, it will be actually taking some time. Okay. When everything, whichever is right now in progress,
mm,
becomes green and activated. Okay. So then we can go back to the BTP account, and then we can assign some more roles, which will be including your roles related to creating integration flows. Okay. Managing your integration, like already created integrations which are only read only access. Okay. So there you have to provide different roles over there. Okay. For each
mm.
partner. Okay. Whenever that is done. Okay. So what you
Okay.
can do, you can you can leave this particular page right now. Okay. And no, don't click on. Okay. Okay. It will take some time. You can go back to the BTP screen. Okay. Here we can actually discuss more parts, whichever we have not discussed it yet. Okay.
All
Till
right.
then.
So,
Okay.
Satyam, this thing, uh, giving or adding capabilities, it's a one-time task, right?
Yeah, it is a one-time task. Okay. So right now, what you are actually doing, you are actually setting up your account here. Okay. So here you
Okay.
will see there are different parts you need to actually activate it. Okay. Once you
Mm,
activate it, you don't need to every time come and do this setup. Okay. Once you did it, you just need to save this particular home URL. Okay. As a bookmark,
mm,
you can click on
mm,
it and you will directly land to this particular page. And once you are logging it for the first time of the day, you have to
mm.
just log in with your credentials. Okay, so that is the one
Mm.
part you have to do actually. Rest
Okay.
everything would be
Same.
same, right?
Okay. Okay. Okay.
So once you go back to this site, here you can click on the B49 A11 one,
And where's that?
your
P41?
trial one, trial home.
Okay.
Yeah, yeah. Yeah, so here your global account, what you are saying right now, is the
Mhm.
main account, okay, where you will be assigned with a global account. So this particular
Okay.
global account is your main account where they will be creating everything within your name. Okay. So suppose SAP
Mm-hmm.
is assigning anything that will be coming under your name. Okay. So that
Okay.
you can, how you can take it as an example. Suppose you create your Aadhaar. Okay, from your Aadhaar ID, you can create your PAN ID, you can create your driving license, you can create your passport, everything, right? So
Right.
everything will be coming under Aadhaar card, right? So that would
Mhm.
be one example. Okay, so that is your global account. Under this, you can create any type of sub accounts. Okay, how does
Got it.
sub account is works, right? So suppose you are working right now as an consultant, CPI consultant for some company,
Mm.
right? And
Mm.
you would be not only working on your just one tenant, your tenant should be different. Okay. So how
Mm.
does the tenant looks? So your tenant, you can create it multiples. Okay. So can we create a tenant here? Can you click on create on sub account? Yeah. And if you name it as dev and region, you can select, you can see, let's see what are the options available. AWS you can take and then create.
No description needed.
No, no, it depends on you.
Okay.
Hmm. So see, as you created your trial account, okay, same you have created your dev account as well, right? So it is
Okay.
just suppose you wanted to create one account in AWS, one account in Azure, okay. So
Sure.
that
Okay.
you can see how you can select that, right? So that is
Mm.
also possible. So
Mm.
I already told you the concept how development, quality, and production works, right? You
Mm.
do your heat and trial in your development system. Whatever
Mm.
problem you wanted to resolve it, you resolve it into your development system. You test it
Mm.
with the demo data, you do the testing in your dev system, unit testing. Okay. Later
Okay.
that particular development is moved to quality system. Okay. When you move that particular developed integration flows from development to quality system. Okay. So same thing you have created here, right? Dev, you can create a QA as well. Okay. For quality. Okay. You can
Mm.
create a
Mm.
production as well. Okay. That you can do.
Okay.
Okay. But that is not necessary anyways. Okay, because you are doing it here, right? So
Mm.
same way, like you have created a integration panel, right? You went into trial, right? You created a
Mm.
service marketplace, okay? You subscribe to integration suite, right? And then you
Mm.
assign role, okay? Then
Right.
you will be able to see the CPI platform, right? For trial.
Mm.
Okay. Same way you have to set up it for dev because that is different sub account. Okay. So suppose you want two different tenants where your packages and integration flows will be different. Okay. So same way you have to set up in dev as well. Okay. You got the point?
Got it.
Yeah. So suppose when you open this dev, can you open this dev? Yeah. So here, when you click on it, so your options will be, can you click on instances and subscriptions? You can see here you have not subscribed to particular integration suite, right? So this
Yeah.
is not your entire tab is empty, right? You don't have anything in your subscription, right?
Right.
But if you go back and click on the trial, then you will be able to see you can, yeah, click on it and you can go back to trial, instances and subscription, yeah. Here your integration suite is already set up, right? You have already subscribed to it.
Right.
Yeah. So that is how it is actually separating you, okay, and giving you different sub account so that you can create your different packages, okay, in different for different environment. Okay. You can consider it as an like Suppose from same sub account, okay, you are a freelancer and you wanted to work for different groups, okay. So suppose you
Mm,
are working for one company and you are working from different company as well. As a freelancer, you don't rely into some company, so you can create a sub account for your company number one. You can create a sub account two for your company number two. Okay,
mm, mm.
but every time you are doing this, you are also need to worry about your consumption of the resources, okay.
Right,
As
right.
more sub accounts you will create, the more resources will be consumed, okay. So
Mm,
right now
mm.
you have created only one sub account, so at that time your resources are very lessly consumed and it will be also working for only one sub account, right. Right now you have created one more that is consuming more, but you are, as you are not assigning or not subscribing to anything, so that will be not a very big problem for you. Is that okay?
Yeah,
Okay.
understood. Yeah.
Can you check the second screen? I know it will not be done. A second tab. Yeah, it is done. It is done. Can you go up? Go up.
Migration integration is done.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, data provisioning. This might
Mm-hmm.
take cloud integration. This might take an hour.
No, no, it will not take an hour. Don't worry. So first
Okay.
that upper one will be done, and then this one will be done. It will take some time. No, don't worry. Okay. We can
Okay.
continue with the BTP.
Okay.
Yeah. So you are aware about sub accounts, right?
Yeah.
Now, when we go to the users, okay, what else we can explore it here? Let's see. Okay, so service marketplace, you can click on service marketplace again first. Let's see. Service marketplace is under services. Yeah, service marketplace. So here, um, if you just scroll it, okay, so you then when you scroll it, you will be able to see the original offerings, okay, from SAP, okay, what BTP actually offers under BTP's integration suite, okay. So here,
Mm.
one of the part is integration suite. You can see everything, okay. I showed you one particular slide
Yeah.
in,
Screenshot. Right. Right.
yeah,
Right.
where
I remember.
integration suite was one of the box, right? See, a
Mm.
web environment is there. Okay, you can find like API management as well. Okay, everything is coming under, particularly in BTP. Okay, these are different like services which you can subscribe. Okay,
Okay.
and can you click on instances and subscriptions? So whichever you subscribe, that will be landing here.
That
Okay,
will land in here. Okay.
yeah,
Okay.
in your subscription model. Okay, so
Mm.
when you have it, so actually you need to understand one more thing. Okay,
Mm.
so what you can do, there is one instance which is just down, right? Can you scroll? Yeah. So here, when you create your instance, okay, right now you don't have to create an instance. When you
Mm.
will be completing your capability part, okay, when your capabilities are set up, okay, then we
Mm.
will come back here and create your instance. Okay. So
Okay.
instance will give you like your client ID and client secret. Okay. That
Mm.
would be
Mm.
always a very preventive thing for you. Okay,
Right.
you client ID and client secret, you can consider it as in your Facebook ID password. Okay,
No, I'm
without,
I'm aware of that, Satyam.
oh, you are aware about it. Okay, so
Yeah.
that would be very secret and you would not be sharing it to anyone. Okay,
Yeah.
only to the those systems which you want to access your CPI flows. Okay.
Mm. Mm.
Oh, you
Here
already use
we
Postman, right?
Yeah, I we do use
Okay,
so
okay. So I think you
we
were very well
authenticate
aware
from here.
about it, right?
Yes, this
I
is client
wanted,
ID, client
I was
secret.
about to just tell you that you have to download Postman, but I can see you already have it.
Yes, we do use it to push the completions.
hmm So same way, client ID, client secret works. Okay, suppose you
Mm.
create any integration flow, okay, in
Mm.
your
Mm.
CPI platform, okay,
Mm.
and
Mm.
you want to send data from your local system, okay. Suppose
Mm.
in your Postman, okay, Postman could be one of the example. So
Yeah.
you have to take the integration flow deployed URL. Okay, so
Mm.
deployed URL would be like your access link. Okay, like Facebook has an fb.com, right? So same way
Mm,
that URL will be working for your particular iFlow. Okay, so for
mm,
accessing that, sending data or pulling data from there, okay, you have to use that particular link in your Postman. Okay, then in your credential or in your authentication part, you have to put your client ID and client secret. Okay, and
mm,
then you
mm,
can choose the operation what you want to do with that. Okay, that could be get, post, update, anything. Okay, so that
mm.
after that in your body you can keep your data to be sent. Okay, and from
Right,
there you will be able to see the data flowing through your integration flow, and at the target side it is going or not. Okay, it is
right.
basically a process where we actually do it for debugging. Okay, so
Mm,
debugging, what does that mean? Okay, generally, so whenever you are in your development tenant. Okay, so
mm,
you have to create one of the, you have to create a iFlow which will fulfill the client's requirement, right?
mm.
Suppose he asks you to that this is your target system. From there, we will be getting this XML. Okay, in this XML, you have to find the particular tag where the name of the client is mentioned. Okay, the name of the client will be in a format like first name is concatenated with the last name. Okay, I'm giving you very simple example. Okay, and
Mm,
what you need to actually do from that XML, you need to read that. Okay, that particular tag where the name is mentioned of the client. Okay, you have to reach to that particular point, and you have to separate that. Okay, from
okay,
first, separate that and create another XML. Okay, where you will be having different structure. Okay, that structure would be having what? That structure would be having two tags. Okay, first name and last name. Okay,
mm,
here you
mm,
will be having a generic name tag where first name and last name is concatenated, and here you will be having two different tags. Okay, first name would be different, last name would be different. Okay,
mm,
so what you can do, you can do a split. You can first send that XML from your Postman instead of directly taking it from your source system. Okay, you can take a basic payload, okay, example payload, and you can send it from Postman. It will reach to your particular iFlow. Okay, from
mm,
iFlow
mm.
you will consume it. Okay, when you consume it, you will be able to see the data. Okay, and I would also like to mention it here that whatever you do in CPI, that should be in XML format. Okay,
Okay.
you can take data in any format. You can take data in file format. You can take data in JSON format. You can take data in whatever other formats you will be thinking of. Okay, but
Mm, mm.
for processing that data, you have to convert it into XML
XML. Okay.
because CPI only understands XML. Okay, so you will be
Got it.
having built-in converters which will be converting the language into XML. Okay,
Mm,
so you can use that. If that is already in XML, you don't need to use anything as a converter. Okay, when you take that, you can take and search for particular that place where the name is mentioned. Okay, filter your
mm,
data
mm,
with that.
mm.
After that,
It's
you can,
pre-built in the CPI, right?
yeah, we see when you actually be able to see in few minutes how CPI actually looks, you will be
Mm,
able to
mm.
see there are multiple options pre-built, like an how you have when you use Facebook or when you use YouTube, you have different buttons available for different tasks, right? Like for
Right.
uploading your photo, you have a plus button, you can click on that and you can select your. So every button is having their own task that will be included into the palette. Okay, so that palette
Mm,
will give you different options for performance. Okay, so when you are doing this, okay, you will be splitting, and then you will be creating a new target payload, and then you will be sending it to the target side. Okay, this will be your general part. Okay, so for that we generally use this particular approach where you try to debug it, not reaching out to every time to the source peoples that can you send the data, can you send this type of data, can you send in this format. Okay, instead of that you can directly take it up on your own. Okay, you can directly push it from Postman. Okay, and then you can modify the payload as per your want so that you can understand how your iFlow will behave in different situation, right?
mm, mm.
So you are not dependent on neither on the source system or the target system. You are directly depending upon yourself by using Postman. Okay. So Postman and CPI combination would be something like which will be self independent. Okay. They are independent from everything. Okay. So Postman would be your very big partner. Okay. Can
Mm.
you check if that process has been done or not?
Yeah,
Second tab
I guess
or our
everything has
activity.
been. Yeah.
So it didn't take 60 minutes. That is good.
Okay.
Yeah, and you can click on OK. You can click on OK. Yeah, still you don't have other options, right? But you have added those capabilities in your system. Okay. Now what you need to do, you can close this. You can close this particular tab, and you can go
Entire
back
type.
this tab. Yeah, yeah. You can go to the security and users.
Give me
This
a
will
minute.
be
Okay. Should I close this, right?
not this. Your means which one you are saying? This one which is open, right? Yeah, you can close
Yeah.
this one. You can go back to your users and under security. Yeah, users. And here, you remember that you have assigned everything in your roles.
Right.
Yeah, but when you go back and click on role collection, hmm, click on three dots, assign roles. Yeah, see, here are more roles, right? So these roles,
Right.
why they are right now here? Because you added more capabilities in your CPI platform, right? So that is why their roles are right now here. Okay, so you can add everything. It will take some 30, 40 clicks, but it will just add everything in your tenant. Whatever best offering is right now by SAP. So you can click everything.
Okay.
Basically, business integration suite and business developer and EBP messaging. Okay, that is necessary for you. But these
Mm.
rules are like they are not harming you. Okay, anything. Okay, anyways,
Okay.
this trial account will be used for only you, right?
Right.
Hmm. So you can see here business expert is to access business data, integration developer to actually build the integration. These are the two main roles will be
Okay.
necessary for you. Okay, if you go down PI read only. Okay, so PI is process
Mm.
integration. Okay, so
Okay.
read only if you just assign this particular role. Okay, and just go back to your iFlow, so then you
Mm.
will be able to see only the iFlows which others have built. Okay. Okay,
Okay. But
so
not able to make any changes to those.
no, that is only read-only access. Okay, for
Right.
your process integration, that is also necessary to read it. Okay, so that you can also assign.
Okay. Should I select this also?
Yeah, yeah, yeah. You have to read it right also.
Mm.
And yeah, select everything.
Done.
Done. Are you sure?
Yeah.
Can
Yeah.
you scroll everything like everything is selected, right?
Yeah. Everything is selected.
Oh, okay. Go back, go back, go up. For me, I remember for me it was 38. Okay.
29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34.
You can scroll up, scroll up. Everything is selected, right? Assign rule
Yeah. Yeah.
collection then and go back. You can go back. Hmm. Let's hope everything is assigned to you.
I
Go
got
to,
45 roles were assigned in total.
yeah. So maybe some roles which we have selected in the beginning, that would be also there, right?
Right.
So you can go to instances and subscriptions and launch your CPI platform one more time. Hmm. Sign out, sign in. Again, basically it catches, I think, more. Your like catch memory is there for this one as well.
From this also?
Yeah, sign out from BTP as well. I know it is something like which you don't like to do every time, right?
And that's okay.
Yeah, just one time setup. Click on trial. Yeah, so we are good, right? We are finally be able to see our main tabs. Okay, so as
Right.
I told you, like your main tabs would be always discover, design, and monitor. Okay,
Right. Right.
so for now we will be not going into deep. Okay, now you have already set up it. Okay, so we will go in deep with every tab. Okay, but
Hmm.
for now I'll just try to explain you on the very upper level. Okay, so when you
Okay.
click on discover, go to integration. Yeah, and when you go to integration, you would be able to see, as I told you in the last class, that SAP has several years of experience with business, and he already know which system are generally connected to in which system when a person is actually running the business. Okay, so he
Hmm.
created already pre-built packages. Okay, these are your packages. Okay, discover tab will be always having packages containing the iflows. Okay, so it is
Hmm.
collection of iflows. Okay, so this package, suppose you open any package. Yeah. So when you open the package, actually, okay, so the package will be always containing artifacts. Artifacts are not only iFlows. When you click on artifacts, okay, this is your description, by the way. Okay, so you can see what this particular package is all about. Okay, so same way you have to create your own package. You can then create your own artifacts. Okay, why it is called artifacts, not iFlows? Okay, so when you click on artifact, okay, so then you will be able to see the type, right? Type is
Hmm.
integration flow. Okay, so but
Hmm.
in artifacts there are multiple things. Artifacts contains value mapping, it can contain script mapping. Okay, it can contain your accessibility mapping, it can contain your integration flow. Okay, so there are collections. Okay, in the package you can contain anything. Okay, so this would be like this. Okay, you can see a copy
Okay.
button on the very right hand side above. Right.
Here.
Yeah. So when you actually go to discover and you finally find a package which will be originally needed for you. Okay. So then
Hmm.
that package you can just click on copy, and then that particular package will be copied to your design tab. Okay. So you can
Hmm.
be able to see a copy of that package in your design tab. Okay.
Okay.
So can you scroll it to like very end, you can see multiple package can be there in your particular multiple artifacts will be there in your particular package. Okay. So
Right.
this is main idea about the discover. You can click on design. Yeah. You can click on integration and APIs. Yeah. So basically, this is your main particular platform where you will be landing every day. Okay. So here, when you click on create, okay. Okay. So first it will ask you to name your package. Okay. You can just like the same package you saw, you can name it anything. Okay. You can name it demo, test, anything. So same name which you will give, it will create a particular technical name by itself. Okay. And description would be necessary so that it will be like understandable for other peoples who actually wanted to see the package. Okay.
Okay.
You can
Okay.
give anything. Creating my first package for learning CPI, anything is good. Yeah. Yeah. Then you can save it. Those version and vendors are not required because this is just a demo.
Okay. Save
You
it.
can save it. So you can click on artifacts. It automatically assigned a random one version. Okay. So here you see your package is created, test package, and under artifacts, you are now allowed to create anything. Okay. If you click on add, see value mapping, API, message mapping, functional libraries, integration flow too. Okay. You can create it here. Okay. So there are several things which you can add it as an artifact into your package. Okay. So can you
Got
click
it.
on integration flow? Yeah, you can name it as anything. This is not necessary. Description, you might be giving it later as well. Add it. Hmm. Yeah. So you created your first integration flow. You can open it. Also, I will recommend you. Okay. So
Mm.
whenever you are done with your creation, okay, always click on. You can see in the right hand side there is save, export, and cancel.
Yeah.
So you click on save and then you click
Save.
on cancel. Okay. So it will, when you click on save, it will save your edited version. Okay. And when you click on cancel, it will remove you from edit mode. Okay. So that it will
Okay.
not logged on your name. Okay. Because if anything, if any integration, whenever you open it, whenever you click on edit, the CPI will always assign that particular item to you. Okay. And that particular item will be logged for your name. Okay. Nobody else can be able to touch it. Okay. Unless and until it will have same or higher role as you. Okay. So if has same
Mm-hmm.
or higher role, so it can unlock the flow and then edit you. Okay. But
Okay.
it will be always having risk. Okay. Whenever you are editing, removing lock, because when you remove the lock, it might be possible that whatever changes you have done to the flow will be lost because you are forcefully removing the lock. Maybe it is
Mm.
possible the developer will not have saved the changes, and when you forcefully remove that lock from him, then it will be lost, and then you have to again edit it. Okay.
Got it.
So when you opened it, okay, you are now finally seeing your name, deployed status. Okay. And then there are small icons which you are able to see, right? If you click on edit, you will be able to see them in a color. Okay.
Okay. Should I click on edit?
Yeah, yeah, please. So they are now
Okay.
in color. Okay. So why they are in right now in color? Because you are now able to see every option has some drop downs. Okay, when you click on
Yeah.
it, yeah, click on any button, the verb. Yeah, no, not that. Copy paste is that is. Okay, participants. That is when you click on it. Processes. Click on anything. Yeah, it will give you some drop downs. Okay, so those drop downs will be, you can consider it as in this particular things will be coming under one category, and then category is mentioned as like small icons in the palette. Okay, so these are
Mm.
your palette options. Okay, so from there you can directly take it and then drag and drop it to your free particular drawing board. Okay, you can see this is your drawing board. Okay, right now you can see your drawing board, right?
Yeah.
This is your drawing board where you actually create your eye flows. Okay, so we will keep this session for now, right now till this. Okay, so you are right now able to create your first package. I will always recommend you to save and cancel it whenever you are going back. Okay, save it. So it will give you a message. This is saved. Click on three dots and cancel it. So you are out of the edit mode. You can see again edit. Okay,
Great.
yeah.
Yeah.
So can you go to click on test package? Hmm. Click on save and cancel.
Okay.
So this particular session would be about how you actually build your CPI screen. Okay. So right now we have done that. From tomorrow, we will be moving ahead and trying to understand CPI more because you landed already on CPI.
Yeah.
From now, we will be able to see what is discover, design, monitoring. Okay. Then we will be trying to create one particular iFlow. Okay. Where we can send and transform some data. Okay. That would be our
Sure.
next session. Okay.
Okay.
Till
Okay.
then you can explore as much as you want this particular platform. Okay, you are
Yeah.
free to
Yeah.
do it. Okay, if you even if you do some wrong things, that doesn't harm anything because this is not your company's tenant, this is your tenant. You can do anything. Okay, if you want you can
Got it.
delete it, if you want you can make it another time. Okay, that just
Mm.
follows the same process. Okay,
Okay.
yeah, so I think we can stop the recording here. Maybe s-
I guess you have the option to stop the recording.
are you sure you want to stop the recording to the